In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot with Hubspot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance customer service or streamline your website interaction, setting up a chatbot can be a game changer for your business. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to head over to the Hubspot website. It's the starting point for this exciting journey. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see the login option. Click on it. If you're new and don't have an account yet, signing up is both easy and free. Next, you have the option to log in using your Google account. Simply click on Sign in with Google and choose your account from the list. By using this option, it not only saves you time, but also keeps you securely connected. Now that you're inside HubSpot, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Over on the left panel, you'll find various options. Your focus should be on service. Click on it, and from there, go ahead and click on Chat Flows. This is where the magical journey of creating your chatbot truly begins. The next step is to click on Create Chat Flow. It's time to bring your chatbot to life. The platform will present various options. Choose website as your target location, since that's where you'll want your chatbot to appear. Then proceed by clicking on Set Up Chat. Again, select Website. This reinforces your previous choice, ensuring the chatbot appears right where you intend it to. With that confirmed, it's time to go ahead and click on Next to move forward in this seamless process. A crucial aspect of any customer-facing element is style. Tailoring the appearance of your chat widget can significantly impact user interaction, so spend a bit of time personalizing it. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Next to continue with the setup. Deciding when your chatbot will be available is another important step. Choose your chatbot's availability based on your business hours or when maximum engagement is expected. After making this choice, hit Next to proceed. Now, it's time to decide who will manage this chatbot. Consider the customer support structure in your organization and set up who you want to man the chatbot. Enter a recognizable name and, for branding purposes, you may even add a logo. These details personalize the interaction for your users. Finally, preview your chatbot to ensure everything appears as you envisioned. Remember, first impressions matter, and a flawless preview is a good indicator of a well-executed setup. With everything in place, hit Next. Lastly, you'll see an option to copy and verify installation. It's essential to make sure your chatbot is properly integrated on your website. Once verified, your HubSpot chatbot is all set to engage with your website visitors. Congratulations on taking this big step toward enhancing your customer interaction process.